Welcome to my channel. Kitchen vocabulary in English. Apron, apron. Blender, blender. Bottle, bottle. Corkscrew, corkscrew. Bowl, bowl. Butter knife, butter knife. Chopsticks, chopsticks. Colander, colander. Microwave, microwave. Cup, cup. Cutlery, cutlery. Cutting board, cutting board. Mixer, mixer. Funnel, funnel. Dish rack, dish rack. Deep fryer, deep fryer. Garlic press, garlic press. Grater, grater. Gar, gar. Fork, fork. Knife, knife. Cleaver, cleaver. Jug, jug. Kettle, kettle. Lemon squeezer, lemon squeezer. Matchbox, matchbox. Pan, pan. Ladle, ladle. Spatula, spatula. Whisk, whisk. Sieve, sieve. Peeler, peeler. Rolling pin, rolling pin. Toaster, toaster. Sponge, sponge. Teapot, teapot. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos.